over 100 years, sound in cinema has been the smoothing element to transition from one idea, one scene to the next. What if it wasn't that? What if it was very jarring? What if you became aware the movie's making progress, it's gone to another place?
Anytime the camera cuts to a different angle, we wanted the sound to reflect that change.
In order to put you in his head when he has the earbuds in, the music has to blare. So we put the VO only over shots where we're looking at Michael.
Anticipate, don't improvise.
The tension or sense of anxiety can be created just with sounds or sounds going away. I love the Dominican Republic sequence just because of all the aggressive noises that are in there. Sounds of ugly motorbikes and noise pollution. It gives a sense of tension. When we meet the taxi driver and we get into his cab, we wanted to create this piece of plastic that's separating these two people. We wanted to feel the sound shifting through there, but that wasn't recorded in a car, it was recorded on a soundstage. So we had to create all of the sounds. We wanted to make this the world's quietest fight.
Because it's an assassin killing an assassin. And they know neither of them wants to be standing there with the Florida Police Department going, and why did this guy break into your house?
It was really important to demonstrate the physical differences between these two assassins. We wanted to feel the weight of this very heavy man pushing and prodding so the whole house is moving. It creates this incredibly anxious, intense sequence. We really wanted the audience to feel uncomfortable or question yourself. Why am I feeling this way?